Hi! Today's fraction lesson is a review on how to multiply fractions and what to do when your answer is an improper fraction. So you're baking a cake and it calls for 2/3 cup of milk. But you're not just baking a cake, you're baking 4 cakes. So you need to know if you're going to quadruple the recipe 4 times. How much milk do you need? All you have is this 1/3 cup measuring. So let's solve the problem and find out how much milk needs to go in this cake. Remember, with multiplication, 2/3 times 4 is simply 2/3 4 times. You could write it out. 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. Remember, when we add fractions with the same denominator, we only add the numerator. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Our answer is 8 in the family of 3. But that is improper. The numerator is larger than the denominator. What is 8/3? That doesn't help us. So we are going to change it. We're going to make as many wholes as we can out of 8/3. A whole, when we're doing the family of 3, is 3/3. Remember, 3/3 makes a whole. So we're going to take this number and find out how many wholes are in 8/3 and how many we have left over. So a whole, remember, is 3/3. So I can do 1 3/3. Still haven't used my 8/3 yet. Let's do another 3/3. That's 6/3. Let's do another 3/3. That's 9/3. That's too many. So we can do 6/3 here, which is the same as 1 whole and 1 whole. So that's 2 wholes. But we still have that 2/3 left over. We can't forget about it. So if you were going to bake that cake, you would need to do 2 full cups of milk and 2 1/3, 2/3, to get everything you need to quadruple the recipe. 2/3 times 4. Let's practice one more to make sure we understand the concept of multiplying fractions and dealing with an improper fraction. Let's do 3/4 times 5. Fraction times whole. Remember, 3/4 times 5 is simply 3/4 5 times. You can write it out if you need help, or you can simply multiply. 3 times 5, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Our answer is 15/4. We always stay in the same family, the family of 4. 15/4 is an improper fraction because the numerator is more than the denominator. Just like with our first problem, we are going to make wholes for as many of the 15/4 as we can. So 4/4, 8/4, 12/4, 16/4. Oh, that's too many. I only have 15. So I can only use 12/4, right? 1 whole, 1 whole, 1 whole, which equals 3. But I only used 12 and I had 15. So we can just count the difference. 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 3/4 left over. So our answer, the best way to write our answer to 3/4 times 5 will be 3 and 3/4. Now this is a little bit tricky, so I want you to try your best and let me know if you need some more help. Bye!